All right, so one of the dream tricks, one of the goal tricks I've set for myself is frontside tail stall, frontside revert in. Only problem is, I don't know how to do any of that. So we're gonna start with a tail stall revert today, see if we can get that down, and then go from there. All right, got the tail stall revert. It was a little different than no stall revert. Some of the principles were the same: get in the stall, turn, drop back in, and go for it. But it took a lot more coordination with both feet. I think the difference at the end for me was really getting my back foot to push the tail of the board around so I can get all the way around fakie. It's a pretty fun trick, feels good. Now that means next time I gotta work on those frontside tail stalls so I can put them together. But feels good to get that one. See you guys next time.